Alright, so here's your ramps board. Here's your Arduino. Take your Arduino and your ramps. This end is obviously going to plug into this end. Put them together. Just kind of, you just very easily find all the holes. Bam, together. Alright, we got that together. Good. Now, here's your stepper. Heat sink. I'm just going to call this an adjustment screw. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, but it looks like it has a little Allen head in it. You're going to want that, when you plug it into this, to be facing your LCD screen hookup, which looks like this. And it hooks in just like this board did on top of this one. Right there. Bam. Now we got our LCD attachment. Alright, back to these. You have your XYZ. See those? Those are for these down here. Your 3-stepper motors, and you'll need one for your EO. That's going to be your extruder. E1 is for if you have a dual extruder. Like I said, you want this stepper pin, or not step, you want this stepper motor and the adjustment screw to be facing the LCD screen. Just like that. Roger that. Good to go. Here we go. Now here's this ramps board I have blown already. Here's my fully assembled one. You see I have everything on there. XYZ, extruder 0. I have these marked. Negative, green is positive, negative, green is positive. Same for down here, D8, D9, D10. Now, D8, that's going to be your plug-in for, I believe it's your heat bed. That's going to be for these black wires. The 2 black wires that come off the heat bed on the back of this, they go right here. Those are going to go into D8. Boom, boom. D9 I use for my fan. That's how I have it set up in my repetitor settings. And D10 I use for the extruder hot end. Okay, what else? On here, you're going to see power and bed power. Now you got 3 yellow, 3 black, and a red and an orange. Alright, your yellow and your black are your positive and negatives for your 12 volt, which is your main power from your power source in the back, which looks like this. This is your main power source in the back, which you'll find back here in the far right corner, which I took out and moved up here. And as you can see what I got going on, yellow, 3 of them, black, 3 of them, and the red and the orange are 5 and 3.3 volt. I'm pretty sure those have something to do with the working of the thermistors and maybe the end stops. I'm not really sure yet, but I will find out and get back on a video on that. Alright, now you're going to take 3 yellow wires, take 2 of them, and what I did was yellow. Basically, this is just 1 wire, but say it was 2. You're going to want to cut a little bit off right down here, strip it, the end off of here, and I would just splice them together. This is just 2 wires, so that you just have one connector, and then you will connect it. There will only be two remaining yellows, so you'll put them in the two positive spots on here, which is my bad. Put them in the two remaining positive. Bam, bam. You'll do the same thing with the three black wires that you did with your yellow wires. Now you'll have two coming from your main power box or your power supply into here. Now you have a negative, positive, negative, positive. So when it's all done, it will look like what I'm going to show here on the next